Hello guys, welcome back to the next tutorial video on GIS tutorial. Today in this video I will going to show how to change the projection coordination system of the raster data set in the ArcGIS. So here I have made two map. Here in the watershed LULC, if you go with the properties in the source, you see the coordinate system of the WGS 1984 UTM zone, that is the projected coordinate system. And in the next map of the alignment density, if you go to the properties in the source, you can see there is the different coordinate system with the geographic coordinate system at the GCS. Here we have to change this coordinate system. So for that you can go with the arc toolbox in the data management tool, in the projection and the transformation transaction. So here in the raster you'll see that project raster, you can click there and do the further process also. And next you can easily done with the source bar. Here you can write the project raster, so you can click there in the project raster of the data management tool. So now in the raster data set, you can input which one map you have to change the projection. So click on that. Now you can add the output data set where you want to save that work. So you can easily save there in the output. And then for the output coordinate system, here we have to change with the projected coordinate system. So you can go with the projected UTM and the WGS 1984 with the northern hemisphere. So I'll go with my study area projection system with the 44N, the northern hemisphere. So you can click OK here. Now after this, this is still processing. So here you will get the result after processing. Now you will get the projected coordinate system of that map. So now if you check the properties in the source, now go with that coordinate system. Now this coordinate system is changed with the geographic into the projected. And you can change the color to here, color ramp. So this type of the projected coordinate system is necessary for your for the processing. Neither error message will be seen in your raster data set. So stay tuned for the next tutorial.